Chairman of the full committee, Mr. Burton, for an opening statement.
Well, first of all, Mr. Chairman, we do have to revise the health care system in this country. But there's an alternative which we have proposed, which is not being discussed today because the Obamacare plan is in effect law right now, and it needs to be addressed before we can get to a solution that will solve the problem without putting such a burden on the future generations of America. I look out here today and I see an awful lot of young people in the audience. And when you talk about making sure everybody has health care, it sounds pretty good because it takes care of everybody. We don't have any problems. You get sick, everything's solved. The government's going to take care of everything. It sounds really good. What we don't say is that we're $16 trillion in debt. The interest on the national debt is humongous. These young people out here are never, ever going to be able to live the kind of life that we have because of the cost of government. And this bill is going to run it right through the ceiling. There's no question that we need to do something about health care, and all of us want to do that. But to create socialized medicine, which Europe is running away from right now. I'm chairman of Europe and Eurasia on the Foreign Affairs Committee. I just got back from over there. And I can tell you right now, those countries are on the brink of disaster. Spain is about to go down the tubes, and I think they probably will, even though it'll take a little time. Greece is about gone. Italy's in trouble. France will be in trouble. Ireland is in trouble because they've had a socialistic approach to government, and socialized medicine only compounds the problem. Yes, we have problems, and yes, we need to solve them, and yes, they need to be addressed. But they can be addressed in a business-friendly way that will solve the problems of the people of this country. Socialized medicine is not the answer. And to the young people out here who may be favoring this today, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, if this thing remains law, you remember what I'm saying right now, because we're loading a burden on your backs that you will not believe. We've already loaded $16 trillion on your backs and your kids and your grandkids. But this is only going to compound the problem. I yield back the balance of my time.